Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my Jett's kunai knife. Here it is from Valorant. So yeah, and also please check out my other video as well. And please consider subscribing. So yeah, so first you need a squash paper like this. And you want to start out with a 8x8 grid, okay? So you want to fold it in half, like so, then unfold. Then you want to fold the other side in half, like so. Then you want to unfold that. Then you want to bring all the edges to the center line 2 times, okay? So first, like this, and again, like so. Okay, so do that for the rest of the side now. Okay, like so. And now you're going to make a little fan. So follow the crease line. Fold it up like that. And fold it down like so, okay? And make sure the edge is facing up. So it's a W now. Okay, and now you're gonna make the fan going the other direction now for one of the side. Okay, so you see that first crease line right there? You want to fold that up and match the corners as well. Match the other corner. And then you see that second crease line right there? You want to fold that second crease line down. Then fold up the corners right there. Then you see that third crease line right there. You want to fold that third crease line down like so, and fold up the corners like that. Then now you see that 2 squares right there? Those are 2 corners, of course. So you just want to fold the rest of it down like so. Okay? And now you're going to open up the middle. So down here. That, and fold that up like so. Okay? And you want to flip it over to this side right here, as you can see. And you want to fold this bottom piece in half. Okay? So bring this right up to here. So of course it's going to be the ring and everything, and here's the blade, okay? And now you want to fold these arms down, all the way down like so. Okay, and so it lines up with the edge. And same thing on this side. So fold this all the way down. And make sure it lines up with the rest of the edge, okay? like so. So now let's do the blade. So flip it over to the back right here, the open side, and bring this edge to the center line right here, like a paper airplane. Okay, like so. And now fold from that tip all the way to this center line, this crease line right here, okay? So up to that point right there. So from the tip all the way to that point. And same thing on the other side. From the tip to that crease line right there. Okay. Okay, now flip it over to the front. And you see this two squares right here? So here's the triangle. There's a crease line right there and two squares. So you're gonna fold these two squares diagonally in half, as you can see right there. Okay, to that point to shape out the blade, of course. Okay, and you can fold in this corner right there just a little bit. Okay, like that. And now you wanna fold in just a little bit of this edge right up to that point right there, this crease line. So make a little dent right around where this crease line is. Okay, same thing here. Then you're gonna push it in more. Okay, and you're gonna lift up the front, the center a little bit. And fold down this corner right here. Okay, and kind of shape it out a little bit. It's supposed to be something like this. Okay, push it down. Okay, and now for the ring, the handle, you see where this crease line is right there? You want to fold this whole arm down so that crease line touches the inside of that edge. Okay, like so. Then you want to fold this all the way out like that, and you're going to do the same thing in here. So you want to fold this arm down so that inside crease, that crease line touches the edge here. Okay, and now put this together like this, and then see that triangle on the back side? You want to fold that forward, and the front triangle, you want to fold that around, and then fold the whole triangle together. Okay, like so. And then you want to kind of fold this around. So fold these in half, the side arms, the side of the rings, and kind of make a dent right here. Oh, okay, and kind of make it round. Okay, so here's the kunai knife. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.